Hello traders, we're back to look at what the market holds for us this week. We had quite a wonderful week last week. We saw GBP pairs sell off massively. Out buyers for that week, for last week was a small retracement upwards first before we go lower. But for those that subscribe to my daily updates, price action updates, we really milked this move downwards because we saw based on price action, there was no more move upwards. Well, that being said, we've been looking at what to do when we visit the markets on Monday, when the markets open on Monday. And last week, we looked at support and resistance zones, which are areas where the buyers and sellers do the exchange in the market. Well, for this week, we'll be looking at a very slow week from the FOREX calendar we have for the week. We know this week is the week for Christmas, so we're having quite a lot of currencies, currency pairs and countries on bank holiday. And as such, we'll be having a very slow week. Well, I'm making this video for those that would want to go with the sluggishness of the market. Yes, prices will still move, but in a very slow manner. Our major move for the year end was with the GBP pairs. For those who would like to be a part of the daily updates I give to my subscribers, you can reach me on Telegram. The link is at the bottom of the video. All right, with that being said, I'm looking at the market and we're looking to see what the market will do. Basically on a sluggish nature, but for GBP pairs, we're going to see a continuous sell-off down to 2790. There's a 2780 at that point. 2780. I expect my price to go to just do a slight retracement upwards into 1.3100 and will continue lower down to that 1.2780. We could still zoom in to see what it's going to look like. Yeah, I still expect the price to get up to about 1.3130 area before we continue selling. Looking at the GBP card, Canadian dollar pair, I envisage the same, but what I look at, I'm looking at price retesting the high of this candle, this doji. Price is retesting it. Let's look at it weekly. So I expect price to come into 1.71 area before we continue to go lower. We have quite a strong bearish candle, bearish engulfing the bodies of 1, 2, 3. Engulfed 3 of them. So I expect it to go a little bit excuse me, upwards and continue lower into 1.70 area. That's for the GBP Canadian dollar. Quickly, let me look at gold. What's gold going to do? From what we have here, I see prices going higher for gold. because, like I said last week, this a candle for 2 weeks candle has shown us resumption of bullish momentum. We had a something like a doji here. So I expect prices to go on up to 1510 area. For those of us that want to enter, I usually use pending orders. So you could use place a 10 pips buy stop above the high of last week's candle at 1483. You can place that at 1483. You keep your, of course, you have to remember to use your stop losses at something below 1470. So we keep it at 1469. And our aim is for 1510 from that point. As for gold, let me quickly look at USD JPY. I won't be doing much because I think I'll also be on the sidelines for the week. For this pair, I'm expecting a retracement down to 108.7065. We normally give room for spread. Looking at it at the weekly, let's look at it on daily. Daily also gives us something similar, so we're looking at it coming down into this zone at 108.65. So basically, we can use pending orders again, a 10 pips sell stop at 109.15, and we'll take our profits at 108.70, leave room for spread. We'll keep our stop loss above the high, 10 pips above the high at 109.65. So approximately 10 pips above the high. As for USD, USD Japanese yen, let's look at the USD Canadian dollar pair. That'll be my last for this week. From what we have on the weekly, prices has tested the low and closed above it. But from the look of things, I expect prices to still go lower, retest the low and go lower up to 1.3150. Looking at the daily quickly, yeah, so daily is telling us we can retest this point before coming down lower. But of course, if we see any break and close above this, basically above 1.3204, we see break and close above this, we're going higher up to excuse me, up to 1.3250. So but for now, I'm expecting a retracement of this. As long as it doesn't close above 1.3204, we'll still come lower after the retracement. With that being said, that will be all I'm going to look for the week. I might be staying on the sidelines because to be a rather slow week is a time to spend time with family, loved ones, friends, share the love of of the profits you've been raking in from the beginning of the year. It should be a time of spreading love. For now, I think I'll be signing out here, and hopefully, I believe this video is beneficial. You could use the roadmap also to watch out for prices if you intend to trade this week. And like I always say, if the video has been beneficial, please hit the like button and also click subscribe so you'll be notified as quickly as I upload videos during the week. But for now, be sure to use good money management principles as you trade this, and I see you being profitable at the end of the day. So for all of you that's been part of this, I say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Have a great celebration. Bye for now.